The Mediterranean diet is one of the healthiest in the world. So what is the secret to this diet? I'm Fiorella DiCarlo and I'm a registered dietitian, and today we're going to explore a great healthy Mediterranean recipe with all of the secret ingredients. Today we're making a roasted chickpea, kale, and sweet potato salad. So this amazing vegetarian meal is going to be chock full of anti-aging and longevity-inducing ingredients. We're going to start with our beautiful kale. This is Tuscan kale, and we're going to go ahead and put this into our bowl. This kale is a cruciferous vegetable and is filled with quercetin, which is an antioxidant which lowers inflammation in the body. Now, if this is a little tough for you, then you can put some olive oil in it just to massage it a bit, but this looks great for our recipe today. Next, we're going to grab our roasted sweet potato, and this has been put in the oven for about 15 minutes for 400 degrees with a little sea salt and olive oil. And we came with this beautiful, beautiful fiber-filled sweet potato. Keep the skins on for extra fiber. We're gonna go ahead and put that into our bowl. And next, we have the hallmark and backbone of the Mediterranean diet, which are the legumes. I'm using chickpeas today, and I roasted them in the oven for 400 degrees for about 15 minutes with a sprinkle of turmeric, which is an anti-inflammatory spice and gives it also this beautiful, vibrant color. These beans are filled with fiber, which are weight loss inducive and super healthy for gut health. So we're gonna add these in. There we go, looks beautiful already. Next, for a little bit of a spicy kick, we're gonna add our red onions. And red onions have an enzyme in it called allicin, and it is antimicrobial and boosts your metabolism as well. That's why there's so many centenarians in the blue zones in the Mediterranean. So we're gonna go ahead and start mixing that together. Now, finally, we're going to pull together this very, very magical dressing. And the reason it's magic is because it's going to allow the absorption of all of the nutrients in this salad. We're gonna use extra virgin olive oil in a bit of lemon juice here. And again, the extra virgin olive oil is the hallmark of the Mediterranean diet. It is heart healthy and lowers cholesterol. Next, we're going to put in some garlic, which is also acts as an antimicrobial. It's chopped. A little sprinkle of sea salt there, just to amp everything up. And some peperoncino. These are red pepper flakes. We're gonna add that to the dressing as well. And this contains capsaicin, which is a heat-producing and metabolism-boosting enzyme. Here we go, we're gonna pull all of this together. And remember, every time you use vitamin C or citrus with your leafy greens, it enhances the absorption of the iron, which we need, because it boosts metabolism and boosts your energy. We're gonna go ahead and put that in there. Super yummy, very exciting. And then we're gonna just mix this beautiful salad together. Can go there. Super duper yummy. Do this as long as you need to make sure all that olive oil dressing goodness is in there. There we go. Perfect. And then we're gonna plate it for you. There we go. So this entire recipe is filled with the secrets of the Mediterranean diet with its legumes, its leafy greens, extra virgin olive oil, and all of its fiber, which improves longevity and increases your fight against cancer, other diseases, and is very anti-aging. There we go. This is a roasted chickpea, kale, and sweet potato salad. I am Fiorella DiCarlo, and we will see you soon.